In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Adobe Flash Player on Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure the browser is fully loaded before moving on. This will help you follow each step smoothly without missing anything on the screen. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main options and settings. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage different browser features and tools. From there, find and click on Extensions. This section is where Chrome lets you view and manage browser add-ons, which are small tools that extend what Chrome can do. Once you are in the Extensions area, look for the option to open the Chrome Web Store and click it. The Chrome Web Store is where you can search for and install supported extensions directly into your browser. When the store opens, go to the search bar and type in Flash Player for Web. Make sure you enter the phrase clearly so you can find the correct extension more easily among the search results. When you see the extension in the results, click on it to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the intended extension before installing it. After that, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to continue. In that prompt, click Add Extension to begin the installation. Give Chrome a few moments to complete the process. Once the extension has been added, the final step is to restart Chrome. Closing and reopening the browser is important because it helps the newly added extension load properly and become available in your browser session. If needed, close all Chrome windows and then launch Chrome again. After Chrome restarts, the extension should be installed and ready to use. If you do not see it right away, you can check the extensions area again to confirm that it was added successfully. It can also help to keep Chrome updated, since browser compatibility can affect how extensions behave. That's it. By following these steps carefully, you can add the Flash Player related extension to Chrome and restart the browser so the setup can take effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.